Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 5008 in the Allure specification. So this vehicle features 18-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine, gives you 120 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 16,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.